Minister of the Ministry of Science and Innovation, Dean Professor Gutu, Deputy Chairman of Haramaya University Board. I don't see Dr. Ifrazi, our mayor and board member of Haramaya University. Today, Mr. David Mumi, Deputy Commissioner of Oromia Tourism. Ms. Rosa Mansour is also around at our meetings. She is Vice President for Harar Region and Board Chair for our teaching hospital. The distinguished delegates from partner government and non-government organizations. Equally important here to acknowledge is our keynote speakers from Ministry of Health, Dr. Abera, Professor Barbara Evans from the University of Leeds, and Tasfai from IGAD. All colleagues of Haramaya University, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. It's a great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to Haramaya University and to the annual research and community engagement workshop with timely theme of enhancing community resilience, transforming agricultural practice, nutrition and health. As we all know, the very birth of Haramaya University is based on partnership engagement with Oklahoma State University. As a brainchild of Oklahoma State University, its establishment was based on model of land-grant university. As a result, Haramaya University pioneered the history of agricultural education, research and extension in Ethiopia. Haramaya University has been making tremendous contribution directly or otherwise in the country's agricultural development through problem-solving innovative research and reaching out to users of research results. It was Haramaya that started the history of agricultural extension in Ethiopia, even prior to the then Ministry of Agriculture. Over time, the expansion of teaching to another field of studies, which currently has reached over 10 colleges and institutes, has created an opportunity to expand its research horizon. Next to agriculture, the College of Health and Medical Science is among the colleges that have been responsive to complex health challenges and the dynamic development need of the nation. In cognizance of the dynamics of development needs, Haramaya University strategically positioned its research engagement to be more systemic, multi-sectoral, and a multidisciplinary approach. This move has paved the way to make concrete contribution to the very purpose of research for development. However, we may still challenge ourselves to whether we have fully utilized our potential and successfully contributed towards achieving the purpose research is expected to serve. To this end, I would like to send a few reminders to my colleagues here at Haramaya University. To date, no one can deny Haramaya University's prominence in the national development endeavors and international arenas. The footprint of its researchers and the graduate research undertaking and other sectors is among the leading proof of its contribution. However, maintaining our prominence in the current era of the knowledge economy demands more commitment and good intentions. Unlike in the past, we are in an era of competition, demand from different sectors, and the community is growing. At the same time, resources are getting scarcer. No matter what, unless we remain competitive and visible nationally and internationally, our usual prominence will be challenged sooner or later. Thus, the core of my usual message is quality, partnership, visibility, competitiveness, and survival. That is, for us to remain competitive, in addition to conducting cutting-edge scientific research, we are also expected to serve as intellectual hubs, providing knowledge, support, and innovative solutions to local communities, government sectors, and other stakeholders. For this purpose, we need to establish effective and meaningful partnership with local and international partners to establish regional center of excellences, innovation hubs, state-of-the-art laboratories, and digital or data centers that would enable informed research research and development interventions. All these need to be visible to national and international communities. Our visibility in terms of quality research or generating knowledge and reaching out to the intended users define our survival in the competitive era of the knowledge economy. If we remain visible enough, it will make our journey easier to mobilize resources, such as in partnership with regional and international universities and development partners. To date, the partnership engagement with international partners has contributed greatly to addressing regional and national priority challenges around maternal and child health, food safety, food security, sustaining peace and justice, and climate change, among others. Such engagement needs to continue more proactively and strategically. Coming back to today's workshop, the theme is well set, that is enhancing community resilience, transforming agricultural practice, nutrition and health. It is my sincere hope that during this workshop we will have a showcase related to the theme from our finding of some of the research we are undertaking with national funding and international partners. And the event will also create an opportunity for us to explore further mutual research engagement. Concerning the latter, we have high-level delegates. We have high-level delegates with us from development partners and ministries, and let's make maximum use of their presence with us. In this regard, I would like to indicate to the respected delegates that Haramaya University is always committed to partnership engagement. Finally, I would like to say that we could not have reached where we are today without selfless support and the commitment of our staff members and researchers. Thank you all for your passion and hard work. No matter how hard we may work, nothing would be possible without the support of our development partners. I want to thank you, all our partners, all our partner universities in the region, that is in Africa, and overseas and development partners such as the Gates Foundation, USAID, European Union, African Union Commission, FAO, ICRC, and other development partners. Finally, overall, together we can make a difference. As usual, let's remain passionate and give our best. Once again, welcome, and I declare that the 41st Annual Research and Community Engagement Workshop of Haramaya University is officially open. Thank you for listening.